For the last 3 weeks, I've been traveling around New Hampshire and Maine completely alone. And if you want to know the truth about van life, it gets lonely. Extremely, extremely lonely. But that's the point. For many of us van lifers, this lifestyle is a choice. It's an adventure we've chosen to go on, knowing at times it will be uncomfortable, scary, confusing, overwhelming, but ultimately freeing. It's been the most exciting, humbling, rewarding, and memorable time of my life. And if you're wondering if it's worth it, the answer is absolutely. So I've been alone, just me and my van, in a place I've never been before, sleeping in parking lots at night, alone, with no home I can go back to at night, no kitchen, no bathroom, no place where you can be completely comfortable and live the life that really everyone expects to live. I haven't been able to live that life. But I chose this. No one forced me to do it. I knew what I was getting myself into. And it's been rough. You have to think about where you're going to go to the bathroom, where you're going to sleep, what you're going to eat. All the little things that you don't really have to think about when you live a normal life. It's definitely not easy. But the amazing part about van life is what everything else feels like because of the lifestyle you're living. You're traveling from place to place, feeling like you're completely alone, because you are. But it makes all the random experiences you have so much cooler and so immersive. I was sitting on these rocks along the ocean, making a simple meal that tasted amazing. And I saw this big bird flying, so I watched it because I had nothing else to do. And it was cool. So I'm alone in the physical sense, but really I'm not alone at all. I still listen to podcasts. I listen to music. I watch Netflix. I watch The Real Housewives. I call my friends. I call my family. I work my remote job Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. I attend grad school online, meeting with my classes, meeting with my project team. I'm not alone at all, but there's no one with me. And I'm in these crazy places I never thought I'd be. And it feels like you're in the wild. You feel like you are living a lifestyle you would read about in a book or watch in a movie. I've gotten to live about as much in nature as someone working a normal job can. I end work and I go walk around Acadia National Park or random state parks. It's been amazing. It's so much different from normal life. And that's what you want. You want to feel like you're having this weird experience that you're always going to remember. And that's why you do it. So you do feel lonely You feel very lonely, but it makes the songs you listen to sound better. It makes your favorite movie you watch feel even cooler. It makes talking to your friends on the phone more important. Everything is just so vivid. And anyone who has lived this lifestyle probably knows exactly what I'm talking about. It's just a great experience that makes you enjoy all the other aspects of life more. It's like a societal cold plunge. It's not easy, but afterwards, when you get these experiences, it's amazing. The loneliness that you feel living this lifestyle makes you want to meet people, and that's what I've done. I spent an entire night going from bar to bar, eating pizza with a random retired couple from Louisiana. I went to a community event for creatives and ran into a guy from a small town 2 hours away in Maine. I've met all these crazy people who have unique stories, and I'll probably never see them again. But it made the time that we were together just so interesting. You want to hear about their life, they want to hear about your life, and you get to eat some food together or hear someone sing a song they wrote. Just wild stuff. And it's been awkward at times, but it's just, I wouldn't trade it for anything. And for someone like me, this is a choice of a lifestyle that I don't know how long I will live. Could be a year, could be a couple years. And then I'll go back to normal life and I'll have this experience under my belt. And it really is an investment in the rest of your life for someone like me. Normal life is just so different as a result of living like this. And that's what I was hoping for. Everyone later in life has periods of their life that they look back on that have influenced them, that have made them who they are. And for me, this is going to be a major part of that. And for anyone who is worried about being lonely doing this, that's what you should hope for.